Hi guys, so this is my first project. It is a lot of little vases that I got from the store. I did paint them. They are wooden, and the ones at the back I think I'll use in my house. I don't know about the other ones. But here's the two red ones. They have little white flowers in there. They're glued in so that they don't come out. And then I have another color is in the yellow vases. I put little purple ones. Looks like a little bit like cactuses. And then I put these purple tall ones with some green foliage and these orange ones. Cute. Everyone knows what this is. This is the roses, sweet roses, Barbie Mattel. Vanity. Of course, this one I removed all the drawers, and it's discolored. You can't really tell it's really good from the video, but it's discolored and stained. There's discoloration on the back. It doesn't have the mirror. Now I just purchased this because I wanted to spray paint it because I wanted to use it as a desk, not as a vanity, because I already have this piece as a vanity already with the mirror and everything. So I'm gonna spray paint it with this Rust-Oleum high gloss spray paint, and this is what it looks like after a few days of drying. It looks great. It has a really nice shine to it. You can't really tell from the video though, but it has a really good shine. I will take more photos of it and post it just before we put it into the dollhouse diorama. But it needs things on top, so I'm going to start first with magnet, like, you know, some people have that piece of board here to protect the writing area of the desk. And so I'm gonna do that, and so the items that I put on will not fall off. They'll just stay in the position where I put them. After cutting it to the size I wanted, I put on this glitter tape. It's like washi tape. You can get it from craft stores and stuff like that. This one's glitter and it changes color as the tape goes, green to blue. So I've used it in other projects, and I decided I wanted to use it here too. So I think it looks really great. Color looks really great. I'm gonna put it onto the desk. And I'm gonna be using, so to hold it down so it doesn't move around, I'm gonna be using my favorite, double-sided tape. That way it can be removed if I want to remove it. There it is. It's stuck on now, and it won't fall off. And now this is how the magnet things are gonna stick on. So you got a piece of magnet, and you just put it on like so, with an item glued to it, and then it doesn't fall off. I'll have more videos coming soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.